Hi, I'm Bridget. This short video will provide you with everything you need to know about your Nevro temporary trial. Let's get started. During your Nevro trial, to evaluate your pain relief, you will be given a temporary stimulator battery pack and remote control. The temporary stimulator battery pack will be secured to your back. This battery pack is connected to leads that will deliver stimulation. The battery pack will be worn for the duration of the trial and is not to be removed without direction from your physician. You will use the remote control to turn your therapy on and off with guidance from your physician and Nevro care team. You will also use your remote to adjust your stimulation settings. Your remote has buttons and lights that will allow you to adjust and monitor your stimulation. You will find the on-off button on the side of the remote. On the face of the remote, there are arrows to adjust your stimulation, illuminated numbered levels to indicate stimulation is on, and a P button that will allow you to change programs when instructed. You will also see a battery level indicator to measure the current battery life of your trial stimulator. To make any adjustments to your stimulation, you must first turn on your remote. Press and hold the remote on-off button for a few seconds until the remote beeps and the lights on the face of the remote stay illuminated. One long beep indicates the remote has connected with your device. 3 beeps will sound and the remote will turn off if connection was unsuccessful. If this happens, try moving the remote closer to your device and press and hold the on-off button again. Once connected, the lights on your remote will display the battery level of your trial device as well as your selected program. Illuminated lights above the up arrow indicate that stimulation is on. If stimulation is off, there will be no lights illuminated above the up arrow. To turn stimulation on, press the up arrow once and the numbered level lights will illuminate. To increase or decrease your stimulation level, press the up or down arrow until you see the desired number of lights illuminated. Each time you press an arrow, you will hear a beep and lights will reflect the new level. When it is time to change programs, as instructed by your Nevro care team, press the P button once to activate a program change, and a second time to move to the next program. The light will move over to the selected program and will automatically start at the programmed level of stimulation. Should the trial stimulator become unsecure at any point during your trial, or if your remote control continues to beep for more than 60 seconds, don't worry. Call your physician or Nevro care team immediately for guidance.